Hey guys, welcome back to another Kaspa video. I hope you're doing well. Before we dive into Kaspa, I want to ask you the following. My goal with this YouTube channel is to spread the word about Kaspa because I really do love this project. And in order to do so, I want to ask you to like this video and please subscribe to the channel. If the videos I make give you a little bit of value, please consider to subscribe because I noticed a lot of people are watching my videos till the end, but they don't actually subscribe. But it will help me tremendously. So please consider it. Thank you very much, and I really do appreciate it. All right, the market was correcting as well yesterday. So the fear and greed index is around 50, so perfectly neutral. So probably the bottom will be in or is already in my opinion. Kaspa is holding up pretty well in my opinion. We're still sitting at spot number 38 and we are down 10% for the week. But if you look at other top 50 projects, most of them are down over 10%. So I think it's looking strong. I'm really glad about that. If we take a look at the current price, we are just over 10 cents. It was a really strong support level. Possibly right now it will be a strong resistance level, but we have to wait and see if we are going to close above the 10 cents area. In that case, it would be a bullish sign in my opinion. So the market cap is sitting around $2.2 billion with a volume of 24 million. And the volume is a little bit down, nothing to worry about. Yesterday we had high, in the first part of the day we had high sell pressure, and after that the dip was bought up pretty well. So that is really good. Let's first dive into the charts to give some a clear vision on what's happening right now. So if you take a look at Bitcoin, yesterday we had a dump as well, and the day before as well. And yesterday we touched the 38.5k support level. I think this is a strong support zone in my opinion. We touched it and we bounced back up. The big question is, are we going to break this downwards channel and are we going to fly up again? Or possibly we're going to retest this area and maybe break it to the downside, and in my opinion 35k level is the next big support level. And also in my opinion, I think this dip correction is in the basically is a healthy thing, but I think it's in the basic also manipulation. So institutions like Grayscale, BlackRock, they buy Bitcoin OTC, so over the counter, so they don't buy on an exchange. So if they buy, the price isn't going up of Bitcoin, but when they sell, they actually sell on an exchange. And if that's in that case, the price will go down. So they actually don't influence the price when they buy, but they influence the price in a negative way when they sell. And I call that manipulation. Nonetheless, we have to wait and sit this thing out. Eventually they're gonna manipulate the price up and it's going way higher than it is right now. So great accumulation zone over here. And we also can see that in the altcoin market, we dipped below this to this level, around 700 billion market cap for the whole altcoins market cap combined. And yeah, also great opportunity to DCA in. I hope you did. If you didn't pack your bags yet. And if we take a look at the Kaspa chart, you see as well, we touched this support level around 9.3 cents. As you can hear, this is probably a strong support level. We bounced off it right now, and now we are fighting to go back above the 10 cents area. We have to wait and see today if we're going to close above. But in general, Bitcoin will lead the market for now, and yeah, we have to wait and see. This area is a great DCA opportunity in my opinion. If we dip further below, it's also a good buy. In my opinion, again, it's a strong buy, not financial advice, of course. All right, if you take a look at Kaspa, Kaspa has a new partnership with Travelay.com. Possibly this is a really bullish partnership. So you actually, with this company, you can pay for your holiday, but the most the most positive thing about this, in my opinion, and it is a theory, this company is backed by Binance. So the question, what's rising right now for me, will Binance spot list Kaspa in the short term because of the partnership with Travelay.com? Of course, it's all speculation, but it is a possibility, and that's why I'm very enthusiastic about this partnership. So we have to wait and see the coming days and weeks, but I'm pretty sure we get tier listings around, like Binance and Kraken and crypto. There's no way that a tier 1 exchange won't list Kaspa. I mean, Kaspa is the best coin in the world technically, and it's in the top 50 of all the coins/tokens combined. So no doubt that they will list it. Another thing that I came to mind, Michael Sudden. He's the researcher and one of the developers for Kaspa. He's saying testnet 11 is running smoothly. We are aware of some performance aspects which can be improved, and we are working on that in the background. So that is fundamentally good news. They also preparing a mainnet Rust release, so that's also a good thing. And they had a dev meeting earlier this week with broad participation from across the globe, trying to align goals and go in depth into some complicated subjects, probably smart contracts and that kind of things. So they're working in the background for us, and that is also a really nice thing to have. All right, if we take a look at some metrics for Kaspa, the hash rate is almost 153 petahashes per second, so that's really bullish. It's only increasing. We have some dips in it, but there's still more miners at work every week, and I really like to see that, and I believe the Kaspa price will follow the hash rate eventually. So that is great. Okay, this is the most boring thing, but actually the most important thing. This is how you get filthy rich with crypto. So if you take a look at the last 7 days, crabs, octopus, fish, a lot of other addresses sold, dolphin, sharks, gains. They gained. We gained people of addresses in this category. Smart money, weak money, paper hands. So if you're in here right now, think about if you sold because you panicked or you get emotional. So if you want to succeed in crypto, you shouldn't sell right now. You should buy right now. So remember that and think of that. This is not a coincidence that dolphins and sharks are buying right now. The last 24 hours, same deal. We even gained a whale. We lost a lot of addresses in the smart retail investors probably, but we gained 14 dolphins. So that's not a coincidence. So think about that. All right, in the top 10 addresses, the number 1, I think this is a KuCoin wallet. They gained 7 million. Gate, the number 2, 260 million, 1,000 Kaspa coin. One of the Maxi wallets, they almost lost 2.7 million. And the number 4, the Uphold, gained 1.4 million. The Maxi wallet, the number 2 Maxi wallet, they gained 5 million. The number 6 stayed the same. The number 7, the third Maxi wallet, they gained 3.5 million Kaspa coin. And the number 8, it's the same. And the BitGet, they lost 395,000 Kaspa coin. Nothing really special about this. It's all looking roughly the same. The total addresses with more than 1 Kas, we're sitting around 330,000. So we lost like 20,000 the last couple of weeks. But also nothing to worry about since this market dip. So it's looking great. So remember, think about this. Are you accumulating or are you selling? Do the right thing and become wealthy in the coming years ahead. All right, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really do appreciate it. And I wish you a really great day. Crypto T out.